Happy good morning! Today I'm going to show you how to make a recycled craft. I turned trash into treasure by making this cute farmhouse harvest truck. The truck was made solely with materials from around my house. That means it was totally free to make. In another video, I'll show you how I made all the apple-themed crafts you see here. These fabulous fall crafts are perfect for the autumn season, and best of all, they all match. Let's get started. I'm just sketching an outline of the truck. It's just going from memory from all those old car shows my dad used to take us to. So this is kind of my idea of what a 1950s Chevy truck would look like. Now that I have my templates cut out, let's trace those onto cardboard. I'm using scrapbook paper to cover the truck, and I'm leaving about a 1/4 inch around the sides when I cut it out. We'll cut and fold it over to make a clean edge. This is a plastic berry container. I'm just pointing out that I used some Goo Gone to get some of the stickers off, and it actually ended up etching the plastic. I should have just used soap and water, so don't make the same mistake I did. I ruined the whole top, so I'm not able to use that plastic, but that's okay. I can still use the plastic on the bottom. We're going to cut those out, and we're going to use those as the windows in the cab of the truck. I'm using a wet erase marker, but you could use a dry erase marker. I wouldn't recommend a Sharpie because you're going to be able to see your outline, so something like a wet erase marker or a dry erase marker will wipe off once you've outlined your windows, and then make sure that you leave at least 1/8 of an inch. That way you can glue your plastic window onto the surface of your cardboard. Next, we'll cut out the interior of the truck. We will not be gluing that in just yet, so set it aside for later. Here you'll see I'm just using a thin piece of cardboard. I'm molding it around the corners of the truck, and I've left a good 1/4 of an inch. That part's going to be folded over. So I'm just showing you here how much space you want to make sure that you have. I'm using a metal ruler. It's much easier to make sure your lines are straight with an X-Acto knife. Lastly, score the edges, fold, and use binder clips to help hold in place. This will make it easier to glue to the truck cab later on. Make sure to hold your steering column in place until your glue dries. Lastly, we're going to glue a bit of foil onto the stick shift or gear shift or 3 on the tree, however you like to call it. They're all the same parts of the truck. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share the video with your friends. I hope you have a sweet, charming day, and I'll see you again next time for part 2.